Anyway, Kate Bilo joins us now with our forecast, and things are getting serious. You got some reports of some very high winds, huh?
We do. Some potential very high winds. We've got a couple of warnings that just fired up for the region. One over northern Delaware. There's one in Berks County right now with a storm that's really strengthening. And both of these have the potential to produce winds over 60 miles an hour. So even if there aren't tornadoes, which there could be with these storms, the wind damage alone and hail damage could be extensive with these storms. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll start you off with a quick look. We'll take you quickly out to Storm Scan 3. And I want to show you what's going on across the region. The big picture is this yellow box you see encompassing most of the state of Pennsylvania and into portions of South Jersey as well. That's our tornado watch. A tornado watch does not mean tornadoes are happening imminently. It means conditions are favorable for development. So what you want to look at are the smaller boxes and find where you are located to see if you're in the path of any one of these storms. So these smaller orange boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings. We've got a number of those firing across the central part of the state right now. This is a tornado warning, the red box here up across northeastern Pennsylvania. The cell that I'm most concerned about right now is this one moving through Berks County. It has very, very heavy rain and likely very large hail, potentially ping pong ball size hail, which is about 1.5 inches in diameter. Frequent cloud to ground lightning and of course heavy downpours. Now we're watching this cell very, very closely because as we look at it on our velocity sweep, it does look as though there may be some rotation with it. As of right now, it's not a tornado warning, but I would not be surprised if this cell were capable of producing a brief isolated tornado over Berks County. And you can see the severe thunderstorm warning takes you right to the border of Chester County. That's where the storm is headed next. So tracking this out, 521, this will be in Spring. Reading right around 528. We've been telling you this since the 4 o'clock show. The city of Reading going to see this storm move through right at about 5:30. Robeson at 5:39 and 5:59 into North Coventry, Chester County. Take a look at the hail track with this. This is an indication that this cell has been producing very, very large damaging hail for its entire duration, and now over portions of Berks and Chester counties. What you're looking at here is what we call our hail zone, and this is an indication of where the greatest threat for large hail will be as the storm continues its progression. This will take you right on down through Chester County, right across the turnpike as well, and lead to potentially very dangerous conditions. There's another cell behind this coming in almost on the same trajectory with, again, very heavy rain and damaging hail. And I am concerned about what you see here. This is our velocity sweep. So you're looking at that area of green embedded in the red. Right now, it's not a tornado warning, but when I see this, I start to get very, very concerned that this cell does have the capability of producing a tornado. And sometimes we see storms like this that don't have tornado warnings that we go back and assess the damage afterwards, and it's determined that they do produce a brief tornado. So watch this one closely. I wouldn't be surprised to see a tornado warning fire with that. We've got another cell. This is not warned, but heavy rain, frequent lightning right over Euclid Township, Chester County, right over the turnpike here. Slow conditions for that evening commute, and a new warning just popped up in an area that is not even encompassed by that tornado watch. This is for Newcastle County, Delaware, just south of Wilmington, Newark, Red Line, Chesapeake City, for this cell, which is moving almost due east with heavy rain and frequent lightning, 60-mile-per-hour wind possibility, and the threat for half-dollar sized hail. So future weather taking you through the rest of tonight. These storms will be very discrete, very scattered in nature. They're here and there, but as we just saw, that one cell over Berks County has some very damaging potential, hail and wind especially, and possibly an isolated tornado. This goes through about 9 or 10 o'clock, and then that starts to clear out. Our tornado watch in effect for all of southeastern Pennsylvania, Camden, Gloucester counties in New Jersey, and Burlington County until 10 o'clock tonight. Our severe threat is enhanced today and tonight, and once again tomorrow we're going to be under an enhanced risk of severe weather almost the exact same time of day. We're talking 4 p.m. to about 9 p.m. tomorrow, and guess what? Yet again on Thursday, another threat for severe storms in the afternoon as temperatures skyrocket to 90 degrees and a cold front pushes through. The good news is we're going to clear this severe weather threat out of here by Friday and the weekend, and it does look really nice as we head into next week. But this has barely just begun in our region right now. This is ongoing for the next several hours. We'll keep you posted, but this is still a developing situation, guys.
We'll be staying tuned. Thank you, Kate. Appreciate it.